So the wind is blowing out here today, but I got the wetlands right here, but I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me, so I'm probably not going to talk. I got some beehives here. It's, what is this, January? And so the wind's blowing, the temperature is supposed to drop tonight. So I had some frames of honey. Real pretty, that they can already smell. I see them coming over here to the box, but these have been in the freezer, and I'm gonna put them in the box so that the bees have something to eat. I had some catastrophic loss last year, so I'm gonna feed them. This is their own stuff from last year. This, because of this wind, is why I keep this on here. Add some sugar on here.